Demystifying language. Unveiling adjective clauses. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving deep into an important part of English grammar, adjective clauses. Understanding and recognizing these in sentences can greatly improve both your comprehension and your communication skills. So, let's get started. An adjective clause, also known as a relative clause, is a type of dependent clause that works to describe a noun or pronoun in the sentence. Just like a single word adjective, an adjective clause tells us more about the noun it modifies. A crucial feature of an adjective clause is that it usually begins with a relative pronoun such as who, which, that, whom, where, whose, when, or why. These pronouns provide a link between the clause and the noun or pronoun it's modifying. Let's look at an example. The book, which is on the table, is mine. Here, which is on the table, is the adjective clause, providing more information about the noun, book. Identifying adjective clauses in sentences is straightforward once you know what to look for. Remember the key points. 1. Look for a group of words beginning with a relative pronoun. 2. This group of words should be giving additional information about a noun or pronoun in the sentence. 3. The clause can't stand alone. It is dependent on the main sentence. Consider this sentence. The dog that has a fluffy tail is my favorite. Can you spot the adjective clause? That's right. It's that has a fluffy tail. It begins with a relative pronoun that provides more information about the noun, dog, and can't stand alone as a sentence. Let's practice identifying adjective clauses with a few more examples. 1. People who speak multiple languages are called polyglots. The adjective clause is who speak multiple languages, modifying people. 2. Paris, which is known for its beautiful architecture, is a city I've always wanted to visit. Here, which is known for its beautiful architecture, is the adjective clause modifying Paris. 3. I remember the day when we first met. When we first met is the adjective clause modifying day. Remember to practice these regularly, and soon spotting adjective clauses will become second nature. And there we have it. We've successfully demystified adjective clauses. We hope this video has helped you in recognizing and understanding them better. Keep practicing with more sentences, and before you know it, you'll be a master of adjective clauses. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.